Well, here it is. The 6-cylinder is going bye-bye for real. We're tearing into this. The nice thing about these Jeeps is you can get the fenders off, a couple bolts. So fender and grill gone. We should be able to have this out of here, and hopefully I'm gonna have somebody come pick it up today. So
you want to point out? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I want to point out the motor mount. You can actually.
Yeah, you can actually see
really
the motor
see
mount
it
now.
Like if you look right here, just shake the engine a bit, shake the motor.
That's holding everything in.
So yeah, that's not cool.
Motor mount. What else? Shout out to Steph Ace. Follow him on Instagram, Steph Ace. He builds all kinds of LS motors. He got me a killer deal on one. So that's what we're doing instead of this guy here. So I don't know what else. What else?
I know. I'd say like we're almost there. Let's yank this thing out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So what happened?
Well, what happened was
No, it came out pretty easy, surprisingly.
we yanked it out pretty quick, pretty easy. You can see right here. This was the culprit. So you got bolt snapped off in both of those. That one was missing. Probably what happened was this one fell out for some reason, and then all that tension was there, and it just snapped sideways like that because the engine's turning this way. And so yeah, that was sitting like this. That bolt pops out, and then all you have is that pivot, and that said, forget it. It said bye-bye. So that's it. It's out. It's for sale. And now we've got a little work here to do, cleaning up the engine bay and getting it ready for what's next.
Some LS action.
It's all you, kid. It's yours, man.
We're going to LS Fest next year now. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. We're going to go put this somewhere, hopefully get some money for it, and signing off.
Like and subscribe and share this video. And stay tuned for episode 3.